Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a powerful tool to scalp the Boom 1000 index on MT5, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be introducing you to a highly accurate scalping indicator that's packed with essential features to help you consistently profit. Let's dive in. Key features. Let's start with the key features that make this indicator a game changer. 1. Non-repainting. This indicator is non-repainting, meaning the signals you receive are reliable and won't change after they appear. 2. Audible alerts. Never miss a trading opportunity with audible alerts that notify you immediately when a signal is triggered. 3. Push notifications. Stay connected on the go with push notifications sent directly to your mobile device. 4. Email notifications. Prefer getting alerts via email? This indicator has you covered with email notifications. 5. Optimized for M1 timeframe. Designed specifically for the M1 timeframe, this indicator is perfect for scalping strategies. 6. Phone notifications. Receive instant notifications on your phone, ensuring you're always in the loop. 7. 99% accuracy. With a 99% accuracy rate, you can trade with confidence, knowing that this indicator offers reliable signals. How to install the indicator. Installing this indicator is straightforward. Here's how to do it. 1. Download the files. You'll receive 2 files when you download the indicator, a template with a blue background and the indicator file itself. 2. Load the template. Open a Boom 1000 chart on the M1 timeframe. Right-click on the chart, go to Templates, and select the blue background template. 4. Install the indicator. Download the indicator file to your computer. Once downloaded, double-click on the file to automatically install it onto your MT5 platform. 5. Activate the indicator. Finally, drag and drop the installed indicator onto your Boom 1000 M1 chart. This will activate the indicator, and you're ready to start trading. How to use the indicator. Here's how to use this indicator effectively. 1. First signal, red down arrow. When you see a red down arrow on your chart, it's time to open a sell position. Hold the trade for 5 minutes or 5 M1 candles. Make sure to set your stop loss just above the previous spike high to protect your trade. 2. Second signal, red down arrow with lime dot. This signal is even stronger. When you see a red down arrow with a lime dot, open a sell position and hold it for 10 minutes or 10 M1 candles. Again, place your stop loss above the previous spike high for maximum protection. To get this indicator for free, we're selecting lucky winners. For your chance to win, simply subscribe or follow us, comment Scalping Indicator, and like this video. Don't miss out on this opportunity. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!